Before history could write, the Pacific coast lay quiet under a heavy sky.
The land breathes slowly, unaware of the pressure building deep beneath.
Beneath the calm surface, one tectonic plate slides silently under another.
Life continues in rhythm with the tide, each wave erasing the faint tremor below.
A pulse travels unseen. The earth adjusts itself by less than a whisper.
You are watching Storm SPDecode. Along the Cascadia coast, life unfolds in rhythm with the tides, a delicate balance between land and ocean.
Nature offers its earliest signals for rain, a subtle withdrawal, almost imperceptible, marking a shift beneath. In the forest, silence spreads like a signal. Even the animals sense what no human ear can hear.
Tiny oscillations mark the beginning dawn, the Earth's energy redistributing in silence.
Instinct precedes understanding. Nature's oldest warning system awakens.
The flow reverses noise. Pressure waves beneath the crust alter the balance of the shore.
Time itself seems suspended. The coast holds its breath before a force it cannot see.
Moments before the rupture, stillness becomes the loudest warning of all.
Beneath the calm surface, two immense plates converge. The Juan de Fuca sliding beneath the North American continent. For 3 centuries, compression locked these plates together. Pressure built, inch by inch, storing unimaginable energy. The ocean floor rises suddenly stepped. Billions of tons of water are displaced upward, forming the first pulse of a tsunami.
A wave train travels outward in all directions, moving faster than a jet aircraft across the open ocean.
With an estimated magnitude of 9.0, the Cascadia rupture rivals the largest events ever recorded on Earth.
Long-period waves stretch across the ocean, Avis, their energy distributed through the entire water column.
Adjacent segments respond in sequence, amplifying the disturbance. As wave groups overlap, interference creates amplification, focusing energy toward the coastlines.
Seafloor geometry guides the wave, amplifying height as it approaches the continental shelf.
Out at sea, the tsunami's height barely reaches a meter, yet it carries the energy of continents.
Energy radiates in 2 directions, westward across the Pacific and eastward toward the continental shelf.
9 hours later, records from Japan would note an orphan wave, the distant echo of Cascadia's rupture.
As depth decreases, wave speed slows, compressing energy into greater height. The deep ocean's momentum transfers upward, transforming invisible movement into a rising wall of water. Wave shoaling amplifies height, velocity collapses, volume compacts, and the surge begins.
Within seconds, massive pressure fronts strike the continental shelf. What begins as geometry becomes motion. The Pacific prepares to reveal its stored energy.
Far offshore, the Pacific remains calm. Yet beneath this quiet surface, energy travels out. As the wave reaches shallower depths, speed decreases, compressing its energy into rising amplitude. The transformation is silent yet immense, the deep ocean's movement reshaped into a visible swell.
Pressure waves ripple through the atmosphere, the ocean and air now moving as one dynamic system.
Across kilometers of open water, the wave remains gentle, its power concealed within its wavelength.
Seismic energy and hydrodynamic motion briefly converge Gulith, amplifying the wave's crest as it reaches land. Shoaling compresses the wave. Kinetic energy converts to height, revealing the ocean's hidden power.
Air pressure gradients mirror the wave's rise, nature's balance adjusting to conserve momentum.
What appears tranquil is a slow redistribution of mass, Tolman. The Pacific exhaling energy stored for centuries.
Beneath the crest, countercurrents form Decode, the mechanics of motion shaping the wave's stability.
Upon reaching shore, the wave expends its energy prey, a natural cycle completing from fault to coastline.
As energy dissipates, equilibrium returns. The Pacific breathes out, restoring its balance.
Reflection waves carry energy back toward the open ocean, marking the end of the primary event.
Equilibrium resumes across the basin below, the vast ocean returning to its steady rhythm.
Even the sky remembers the movement. Gravity waves echo silently into the upper atmosphere. Within hours, energy from the Cascadia rupture had crossed the Pacific, Charlotte, detected as far away as Japan.
Centuries later, these layers tell the story. Sand sheets and tree rings confirming the night the ocean rose.
Modern science reconstructs the event through records and models in Kea, linking past and present in one continuous pattern. Today, networks of ocean sensors stand watch, translating deep-water motion into early warning data.
Real-time modeling transforms silent waves into actionable information.
The energy fades, but the lesson remains. Resilience begins with understanding.
When the movement ends, the ocean settles into silence.
Beneath the still sea, the crust continues to move. Slow readjustments, relieving the final tension. On land, the landscape holds new lines. Subtle changes marking the edge of an ancient release.
Life begins its return within hours the train, nature balancing itself once more.
Minor aftershocks ripple through the crust crud, quiet echoes following a major release. Water and land settle together, stillness revealing resilience in the natural world.
Generations would carry the story to Milne, a memory of the night the ocean spoke.
From space, the Earth shows the signature of recovery, quiet adjustments written in millimeters.
The energy disperses, equilibrium returns Akai. The Pacific resumes its timeless motion. Every cycle ends where balance begins. The coast, breathing freely, once again.
Centuries later, instruments read the Earth's quiet signals credits, understanding what ancient witnesses observed by instinct.
Knowledge transforms reaction into readiness. Every lesson from the past strengthens future safety.
Centuries later, the same coast remains, quiet, observant, prepared.
In time, the ocean releases what it once held.
Centuries later, layers of sand and soil preserve the storied dream, the physical memory of the 1700 event.
Science recreates what eyes could never see. Analgeti, the hidden choreography between land and sea.
Every coastline learns from the others. Knowledge shared across the Pacific defines preparedness. From silent ocean sensors to global communication, science now transforms warning.
Today, life continues beside the same ocean, stronger through understanding, safer through awareness.
Preparation becomes architecture. Resilience built into every plan and structure.
The ocean holds both mystery and memory, and within that balance, we find respect.
Every discovery refines our understanding, each generation transforming fear into knowledge.
Preparedness saves lives. Let the sea never surprise us again.